Alright, remember in our previous video when we talked about Mavic 4 Pro pricing? Well, turns out DJI is keeping things pretty steady, at least for the base model. It's right in line with the Mavic 3 Pro. But when it comes to bundles, it's a bit of a roller coaster. Some prices are up, some are down. Now, thanks to Jasper Ellens and his eagle eyes, we've got an early look at the accessory prices too. An international DJI retailer updated their listings a little too soon, accidentally or maybe accidentally on purpose, giving us our first official glimpse at the Mavic 4 Pro accessories available at launch. Here's what we're looking at, all converted to USD. Intelligent flight battery, $180. Parallel charging hub, $100. Propellers, $19. Propeller guard, $39. Electronic ND filter, $220. DJI Care Refresh, 1-year plan, $225. DJI Care Refresh, 2-year plan, $365. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The electronic ND filter is still a separate purchase for $220. I really thought this was the year DJI would finally integrate ND filters into the camera, but nope. It's still a separate purchase. The leaked images show the front of the camera snapping off to reveal a connection point for the electronic filter. And here's a thought. Could this mean DJI is planning to ship without it? If so, third-party brands might already be cooking up cheaper, non-electronic alternatives. Look, I get it. Cheaper third-party options are tempting for your wallet. But let's be real. They just can't compete with the precision and quality of a built-in electronic ND filter. When it's integrated right into your device, you're guaranteed rock-solid, consistent performance and next-level control. Standalone filters, they're like off-brand soda. They might do the job, but they'll never hit the mark like the real deal. So what do you think about these accessory prices? Personally, I think DJI is keeping things affordable. Ellens even wonders whether it's due to Trump tariffs or if DJI has simply hit a price ceiling on pro-consumer drones. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and trust me, this is just the beginning of the Mavic 4 Pro leaks. More promo images, specs, and juicy details are bound to pop up in the coming weeks, so if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Peace.